In this video, we will learn how to set accommodations for groups of students or individual students in SchoolCity assessments that have already been created. To set or change accommodations or testing tools, first navigate to your online administration screen for the given assessment. Load the class period that you would like to change or make accommodations to. Click the blue refresh button once your period has been selected. First, let's take a look at how to make changes to groups of students. To do that, we will select the Advanced tab. On this tab, I can scroll down now and make changes for the entire group. I can remove a calculator, add a different calculator. I can add a testing tool like color contrast or remove a testing tool like text magnifier. Please note that for common finals, all of the universal testing tools have already been added to your assessment. You will also notice that there are some testing tools that I cannot make changes to. If you see a lock icon, that means that you are not able to adjust this setting. For common finals, we do not allow the translate, selection, or full assessment translation features to be turned on, as translation of test content is not an allowable accommodation for English learners. Anything with an unlock feature is a selection that you can modify. Once you've made your changes, click the Save button. You'll notice this pop-up box appear. This is very important. The selected changes will not apply to students who are already activated or in process for this assessment. The changes will only apply to students activated after these changes have been saved. If you wish to make changes to test settings for an entire group of students, you must do so before you have activated the assessment for them. Click OK to allow the assessment changes to take place. If you prefer to make just one change to an individual student's testing tools or accommodations, then you will need to navigate back to the By Students tab. Scroll down to locate the student. Once you've located the student, you will need to look over at the Functions menu and find the Update Online Tools for Individual Student button, this capital A icon. Notice that now it is grayed out. If we want to make changes to an individual student's testing tools or accommodations, we must first activate that student. Select the student and activate with PIN. This will generate the 4-digit PIN, and it turns on your ability to update online tools. Select the capital A, and now you can adjust the settings for just that individual student. Click Save, confirm your settings, and click OK. To return back to the main screen, locate the Exit Full Screen orange button in the upper right-hand corner. In this video, we learned how to adjust test settings and accommodations for SchoolCity tests for both whole groups and individual students. To set settings for whole groups, we use the Advanced tab. We can only make changes here if students' tests have not been activated. To make changes to individual students, we use the By Students tab. On this tab, we must first activate students before we can make changes.